Hey, what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to qualify for an SBA loan. All right, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. So, number one, in order to qualify for an SBA loan, you must be a qualifying small business meeting the following requirements. Okay, number one, you must be a for-profit business. Number two, you must do business in the United States. Number three, owner must have equity to invest. Number four, must have exhausted financing options. And of course, number five, you must have a standard 7(a) loans of 25,000 and up to require collateral. Okay. Keep in mind, certain types of businesses are prohibited from participating in the SBA programs, such as a real estate investment firm, banks, and businesses involved in gambling. Okay. Because obviously those are high risk. Additionally, you'll need to work with an SBA approved lender. Funders who have demonstrated through a thorough understanding of program requirements, and that's essentially how that process is going to go. Now, what the lenders evaluate? Okay, so of course you guys know one of our partners is Fast Capital 360, and they work directly with SBA approved lenders that take the following factors in consideration when reviewing applicants for approval, and that's going to include credit score, recent bank statements, current year's financials, and of course any current outstanding debt or loan information. An applicant must demonstrate a history of positive cash flow with enough capital on hand to sustain operations and cover monthly SBA loan payments and other debt obligations. Okay, so SBA loan requirements also stipulate that your track record must be free of recent bankruptcies, foreclosures, and open tax liens. All right, so and whenever you guys are ready to apply for that loan, of course you guys can most definitely do so by clicking right here at the top where it says see loan options, or just simply clicking this link up here at the top as well too. And if you're not sure if you should go with an SBA loan or not, there's plenty of other options that are available as well too. And you can obviously learn more about SBA loans and other types of business financing as well too at Fast Capital 360. All right. So of course, guys, if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.